Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks and to another open with me. And I've actually lost a magazine. It claims that it's been delivered. The carrier has said it got delivered and it didn't. And I thought it was Crochet Now, but this is the new Crochet Now, so it must be inside Crochet because I've received my Simply Crochet, so it's got to be that one. So that's good. At least I know which one it is and I can get on to them about it. So this is the latest Crochet Now, and it's got a Bella Coco free gift of 3 soft grip crochet hooks. So let's get the outer packaging open. It's quite stiff, some of these polythenes that they use. And straight away we've got more packaging, which is annoying because that doesn't even have an address on it. Oh, no, it housed the paper that has the address on it. So here we are, we've got another one. So we've got 39 patterns you'll love. Woolcraft prizes, 20% off Rico, and an official Wallace and Gromit pattern. Bella Coco luxury hooks worth £12.99. So, again, let's crack on and get the goodies out. Okay, there we go. Get rid of that. So the crochet hooks then, we have comfy handles. Now straight away I notice, you might not be able to see it, or you actually can, the actual sizes are quite well defined, because sometimes these hooks, whether they are Clover or a cheap brand or whatever, ones that look like this, quite often it is really hard to see the size on them. But these are nice and big, 4, 5 and 3. So that's good. And it says smooth metal hooks. Now some of my subscribers did ask me, because I had quite a few from these magazines, plus I did subscribe for a while to the Crochet Society boxes for 6 months so that I could review them, and in amongst those were quite a lot of hooks, and I said I would review them, and I haven't forgotten. I will get around to doing that. So they do look a lot like Clover hooks. Whether they actually perform like Clover hooks, we'll find out at a later date. So it's a nice free gift anyway though, 3 hooks, so we'll put that aside and we'll have a look and see what's in the magazine. Let's move my tea a little bit. Mustn't forget to drink it. So we have uplifting accessories, fun ideas to inspire you, blanket stitches to try, happy toys. That's a quite a happy one, isn't it? And prizes for every reader, 20% off Rico, new from Toft and more. Oh, look at Gromit. That's pretty cool. That looks like a backpack or some kind of cushion. 39 patterns to cherish, boho flower crown tutorial with Bella Coco. Summer wedding ideas as well. So let's move this over because my tea is in the way. And we'll have a little look at what else is in the magazine, apart from adverts and the hello page, which we never bother with. Okay, so this looks like quite a nice little wrap. I like that, although it's just a simple pattern. We've got a little amigurumi. We've got a tunic top, would you call it? We've got a beach cover up. A lot of people have been asking for those, but it looks suspiciously like a poncho that's just made lacy. We've got a big Afghan and a bag that looks very simple to make. So let's see what's new. Magazine 71 from Rowan is a pattern book. Thing is with Rowan yarns is they are extremely expensive. You've got to really be a Rowan fan or quite well off to be using Rowan, I think. Studio Hippenstip. Okay. Right, okay. We'll give that one a miss. I can't pronounce it. Okay, so what else we got? These are all just little editorials. We've got Curious Crochet Creatures book by Irene Strange. Now, her name made me want to say it in a strange way. But there's no price there. There's usually, on reviews, they'll give you a price, but no, there's nothing there. Cute Critters, create your own creature collection with pretty little things. Again, no price. So we'll move on. Show us your makes. These are people who've sent stuff in. And they get a little bit of fame. Carefree Summer Tunic. Now, I would have called that a beach cover-up. A lot of people have been asking for patterns for those, I've noticed on YouTube. Not YouTube, Facebook. We are on YouTube. So this is made with Drops Cotton Light. It's quite pretty. I like that. Yep, not bad. Not bad at all. And there's all the instructions. And that's just an advert. Luna, the laid-back llama. I do love llamas and alpacas. And this is Pat Simpson, who created it. Her. It's got to be her, surely. Anywho, there's all the instructions on how to make Luna the laid-back llama. And there's quite a few, actually. It goes over a couple of pages. Now we've got the Summer Sunrise Shawl. This one is more kind of picoed edges. And we've got a nice picture of Sharon Carter, which they never used to do that. I'll show you the picture, I don't think. Advert for Rowan. Win a Woolcraft bundle and 20% off Rico. You don't have to do anything, I don't think. Just go to www.craftworld.com and enter. Granny Rhapsody blanket. It's just a variation on granny squares. They are all the same size, but they have this optical illusion that they're not because of the way they've used colour. It's quite interesting. And that was Kylie Moletta who made that one. At least their pictures being there is encouraging me to give them the credit. So subscribe to Crochet Now. £14.49 every 3 months, or $77.99 for 13 issues. You can do it online. Free Stylecraft yarn pack when you subscribe to Crochet Now to make this crochet along. Not the nicest cowl I think they've ever had. So this is a boho bouquet. So if you wanted something a little different to the normal wedding bouquet, that's or little kids flower posies, that's quite a nice idea. Kind of cute. Okay, so these are just adverts. Piece of cake, part 1 of the crochet along. So this has got part 1 in, although you might not have the yarn bundle yet, but it's there for when you need it. Now I made a blanket like this with all different coloured and textured squares once before. I haven't done it for a very long time. I got inspired by a magazine to do it, although theirs was mostly knitted, but it inspired me to do a crochet one. I haven't done one like it for a long while. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. And we've got the Summer Dreams Pullover. That's what they're calling it, by Chloe Elizabeth Birch. There she is. And there's a kind of a chart type thing that shows you how to put it together. And advert. So grommet is a cushion. I think you could, if you wanted to, not sew it up, use it as a backpack. You'd have to kind of line it with something stiff, I think, to make him not go out of shape. But I thought they missed a trick there. That could have been a good backpack. Alison Holloway, there she is. And there's lots of instructions on how to do that. We've got Woodland Wonders plant pots. And this is by Lois Floyd. And we've got the charts and diagrams for that. So, Artsy Owl. I made an owl once. It didn't look anything like this one, though. This is Cara Enguerda. I think that's how you say it. And there's his back view. Lots of instructions for him. The Wanderlust Bag. I wonder if Dana knows. She's got a bag named after her by, I don't know if you pronounce that Hay or Hay Barker. I would say Hay. H-A-E. Hay. Hay Barker. It's made in bean stitch, so it's not plain, but doesn't look overly hard. So beginner could try that. And then we've got an advert. More adverts. Kerry's Journal. Hall's Water Wrap. Well, that's a scarf. Isn't it funny how when I think it's a wrap, they call it a scarf, even though it's really wide. And then you get one that is quite clearly a scarf and they go calling it a wrap. I mean, that is nowhere near the width you need for a wrap. It's a scarf. Oh, well. Maybe scarf sounds more wintry and it's certainly not winter at the moment. So we've got mini macrame. So it's not macrame, it's macrame. So it's obviously crocheted and not macrame. I used to do a bit of macrame with my mum when I was a kid. This is called Menton Sweater. And obviously it's got a little heart, which is quite angular. It doesn't round, it goes... It actually makes that noise. Did you know that? This is Samantha Formino who made that. There she is, looking rather attractive. And we've got Shop of the Month and a few bits and pieces of editorials that they put in the magazine. And we've got more adverts and the obligatory free crochet hooks that I never look and get or anything. Now this is a wrap. This is Azalea. Nice rainbow colours. What's that here? Sheepy's Whirl. It's nice. I like that. Could do it with any mandala yarn though. And it's got quite a nice border. And what I like is the fact that you've got the diagram for the border. So it's a plain wrap, but with a nice fancy border. The book club. Okay. This month, boosting our Tunisian skills with Pauline Turner's new book, The Art of Tunisian Crochet. Can't see anywhere where... Ah, hang on. The Art of Tunisian Crochet, the Crowwood Press. And that is $19.99. It will set you back if you want to partake of that. Timeless Tunisian Scarf. So we've got a Tunisian pattern. It's quite nice. The only time that I've ever done Tunisian, I find, no matter how loose I do it, it curls. So we've got a picture of Bella Coco looking rather fetching with her daughter in the boho flower crown. Well, I'm not really into headbands. Hats, headbands, etc. don't really look very nice on me, unfortunately. But they've got a pattern here to make those if you want. And this is the cover wrap. Cove. There's no R, just Cove. Cove wrap. I like that one. That's quite nice. There's a better picture of what it looks like here. So it has got a zigzag pattern, which you can't see on this particular picture. Just about make out that there's bobbles, I guess. But yeah, I think that's quite pretty. And that's made with Stylecraft Charm, which I have in my shop, and I have this colour as well, and I have actually sold some charm. Wasn't that colour, but that is very pretty. I've got a giveaway as well at the moment to win Stylecraft Charm. Let's have a look and see how many balls does it take. 1 ball of deep water. Now my giveaway for the charm, you get to choose the colour that you want. There's a rainbow one, which is my favourite. Like a pastel-y rainbow, and then there's Charm, Sunset, and another one I can't remember. But if you haven't seen that giveaway already, might be worth entering. You could win this very yarn to make that wrap. Wouldn't that be cool? Little Johnny Bear. I have to say, I know he's a bear. Oh, I didn't show you the picture, did I? This is Jane Howarth. Can't really like leave her out as I've bigged up her wrap, can I? This is Heather C. Gibbs, who has made the little Johnny Bear. Now when I look at that, it doesn't scream I am a bear. I guess it is a bear. Has a bit of a yogi look about it. So I suppose, yeah, it's a bear. There's his bear behind. Now we got to the end. We've got the abbreviations, US to USA crochet terms, and hook conversions, which are obligatory. We always have. that funny little noise, if you heard it, was a bird on the roof of the conservatory. Inside the next crochet now, Tropical Escape. And blocking board is a free gift. Stylish Granny Square pattern book. Oh, so we've got quite a few little gifts in the next one. And these are the patterns. Wow, that is very tropical, isn't it? And we've got some amigurumi fishies. I would like to say sharks, baby dolphin, don't know. It's just me. They can be obvious to everybody else, but when I look at an amigurumi, I always look at it and think, what's that? Anyway, Paddington Bear. You've got to love a bit of Paddington on your cushion, haven't you? And here we've got Ask the Stylecraft Expert, which is always there, joining crochet motifs, different stitch counts, and there's a bit involved in that. So it's a blog star, which they do on their website, I've noticed. They've never picked me. Anyway, not that I'm bitter. So there you go. That is this month's edition of the Crochet Now with the free hooks and the patterns. Tell me what you think. Is it a good one? Would you like to go get it? I mean, I think the Stylecraft bundle is worth it for the cowl. Even if you don't do the cowl. I mean, it's not particularly attractive cowl, just saying. I mean, I'm not really into that particular cowl, but the yarn would be bonus. Anyway, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.